McDonnell Douglas F101 Voodoo was originally designed as a long-range escort fighter for the United States Air Force, but evolved into a versatile tactical fighter bomber. First flying in September 1954, the Voodoo was capable of reaching speeds in excess of Mach 2 and could be equipped to carry nuclear weapons as part of the United States air defense strategy during the Cold War. Canada operated a variant of the F101B, which was known as the CF101 Voodoo and was used as an interceptor. While the F101 Voodoo was not extensively used in the Vietnam War in a combat role, it did serve in reconnaissance missions, gathering valuable intelligence. The Voodoo was gradually phased out of service in the 1970s as more modern aircraft took over its roles.